create ideal conditions for the formation of mud volcanoes. The mud that is ejected from these volcanoes is usually a mixture of water, clay, and gas, with varying levels of other substances such as oil or methane. The mud can be either hot or cold, and its consistency can range from thick and sticky to thin and runny. Mud volcanoes are often accompanied by the release of gases, including methane, which can be flammable and cause small explosions. In some cases, these explosions can result in the formation of a mud cone, which is a small hill made up of dried mud. The study of mud volcanoes has important implications for the fields of geology and petroleum engineering. Mud volcanoes are believed to play